Hey mer friends, my name is Justine. I'm the Mermaid Seamstress, and today we're doing I'm gonna copy Courtney here and say a studio vlog. I am making some new tails to bring to the Bahamas. These are tails that I've had in production for quite a long time. I think I've had the material for maybe 2 years now, and I just haven't gotten around to actually making these tails. I'm making 2 tails for you today, following Courtney Mermaid's how to make a painted tail tutorial. I've made a tail like this before, but these are going to be painted tails, one of which is for me and one of which is a surprise for a little guppy friend of mine. But I am really excited for you to see this. They are going to be a dark tail, so there's the fabric behind me. It is a dark blue spacer and that I got on sale, and I'm going to be painting silver, like pearlescent metallic paint on top of it, and so I am super excited to get started. I've already made my patterns, but let's get on to making the actual tails. So I finished cutting and pinning both of the tails, and tomorrow I will sew them up and start with the painting. Alrighty, so this is the kid size, and you can see I've finished cutting out the lovely design on the fluke. I really like this. It's gonna flow really nicely in the water. Of course it is open. I pinned it just to make things a little bit not shift around as much, and I'm gonna leave it to kind of sit and settle in the with the monofin before I paint it, and I'm just, oh, I really like how this shape turned out, and I'm just really excited to do mine now, and hopefully I can match it. These are the finished tails coming up, and hopefully I will have footage of me swimming in mine coming up pretty soon. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on this style of tail, check out Courtney Mermaid's tutorials over on her channel. I followed almost exactly the same procedure as she did, and she gives all of the details for the different paints. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy swimming! Bye, fish friends!